What happened? Even yesterday also we faced the same, but teacher conducted so many classes, grade 5, grade 9, grade 10 classes, or no any call ended. What happened? Is someone doing anything? Okay, never mind. Hema. Okay, Hema, come back to our question. Okay, Hema, 6 over 12 plus 4 over. Hema, what is your answer?
6 over 12 plus 4 over 2.
6 over 12 plus 4 over 12, correct?
12.
So, if you add up, what is your answer?
10 over 12.
Very good.
The denominator remains the same.
Yes, you will get 10 over 12. Very good. So, is there any possible for you to simplify?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what is your answer? You can divide with 2, right?
Yes, teacher.
10 you can divide with 2. 12 also you can divide with 2. So, you will get 5 over 6, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you get the answer now?
Yes.
Okay, now you understand already, Hema, how to do the addition?
I understand already.
Yes, the very important thing is you have to make the denominator equal. Let's say the 4 you've multiplied with 3 mean if you denominator you multiply with 3, exactly you have to follow for the numerator also you have to multiply with 3. For the 3, if you multiply with 4 and then the numerator 1 also you have to multiply with 4. Have to follow the same. No changes with that. Okay? Okay. Question number 11. Quinas, how to do 1 over 5. The rest also can find out your answers by your own. But I want Quinas to do this. Can Quinas? 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7 is same actually. You have to make it the denominator equal. How? Quinas, just try. Wrong doesn't matter. How to make it equal? Huh?
Can I try?
Aye, now is Quinas' turn. E has to try. Quinas, just try Quinas. Wrong teacher won't scold. We will do together. You really don't know or you know how to do?
Teacher, I don't know.
Okay, let's say 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7, correct?
Correct.
Okay, good. So, how to make it the denominator equal? That's why teacher said 5 you have to multiply with 7, 7 you have to multiply with 5, correct?
Correct.
Please take a piece of paper and follow what teacher is telling. Okay, 5 you multiply with 7, 7 you multiply with 5, correct?
Correct.
Okay, for the numerator, can you see my slide here? For the denominator, if you multiply with 7, the numerator also you have to follow the same. You should multiply with 7. Can see?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and then when 7 you multiply with 5, also the numerator you have to follow the same. 1 multiply 5. Correct? Okay. Now, the denominator, what is your answer? You should be get the same answer. You will get 35 times 7. 7 times 5 is equal. Correct? 35. Am I
Correct.
right? Okay, good.
Yes, teacher.
Now, okay, good. Now, for the first fraction, 1 multiply 7, you should get, don't say don't know, 1 multiply 7 is equals to,
7.
okay, 1 multiply 5 is equals to,
7.
hey, 1 multiply 5 is equals to 7.
No. I thought you say 1 multiply 5. I thought you say 1 multiply 7.
The first fraction correct. 1 multiply 7 is equal to 7. You look at the second fraction. 1 multiply 5 is equals to?
1 multiply 5 equal 5.
Okay, good. Now you get the answer ready. Okay, now for the addition, do we need to do the addition now? Yes. 7 plus, do we need to change our denominator, class?
No need, teacher.
No need. Very good. So now the numerator is 7 and 5. Now 7 plus 5 is equals to? Seven plus 5 is equals to how much? How many? Hey, 7 plus 5.
7
Standard
plus
2.
5.
Grade 2 student also can say. What is this? 7 plus 5 is equals to what?
12. 12.
12. Very good. So what is your final answer, class?
12
12
over
over 35. Very good. Okay, now this is the topic that we covered for yesterday, correct? The addition of fractions. Now, please frankly admit who really don't understand how to do the addition of fraction. Really no any idea. Because teacher wants to move to the subtraction. We follow the same method, but we minus. We want to continue with the topic subtraction of addition. So please raise up your hands, those who have questions for addition of fractions. If not, I'm going to proceed with the subtraction. Any question? Who said I can understand, teacher? Please raise up your hand. Who said I can understand? Wow. Quinas, how about you? Half understand, half don't understand.
Yes, teacher.
But so far you can understand or not?
Yes, a little bit.
Yes, little bit. The little bit you don't understand is which part? Chana, no answer?
It's how did you how to plus one?
Huh? How to plus one? Just now I have shown you how to plus one. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. That's it. 12 over 35 is your answer.
Okay.
Okay. And same goes to here. Can you see the question that Hema tried just now? 4 multiply 3. You have to make it that you have to look at my slide properly. Okay, watch carefully. 4 minus 3, 4 multiply 3, 3 multiply 4. When the denominator here is 3, here also you have to follow the 3. Correct?
Correct.
If here you multiply with 4, definitely you have to multiply with 4 here. Correct? Now the denominator you make it equal already, correct? 4 multiply 3 or 3 multiply 4 is equals to? Hey, the answer is already on my slide lah.
Let's see your slide, teacher.
That's why teacher said you have to see the Edmodo. Open the yesterday's slide. Go to the slide number 14, the example 10. Faster, we have to move for the subtraction. Now 4 multiply 3 is equals to what, class? Class, 4 multiply 3 is equals to
12.
12. So now the denominator is 12. We made it equal ready. Okay, now 2 multiply 3 is equals to 6. 1 multiply 4 is equals to 4. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So 10 over 12. Once we simplify, we will get 5 over 6. Understand or not?
Understand.
Good. Who still don't understand? Raise up your hand. Okay, so shall we continue with the subtraction of fractions?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so those who can't view my screen, please go to the Edmodo and then try to open the today's slides that teacher have posted yesterday. Okay, so now we are still under the same topic, fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. But today we're going to cover for the subtraction of fractions. Who is calling me? Okay, subtraction of fractions. Good. So, example number 1 is a very simple fraction. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is equals to? The denominator is already what the teacher said. Please respond when teacher asks the question.
3 over 3.
Hey, this one plus or minus?
Minus 1 over 3.
Very good. 1 over 3 because the denominator we don't have to do any changes. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. The answer is 1 over 3. Okay, we move to the example number 2. Now, who can explain to teacher this one? Teacher said, please respond.
The denominator no need to change, and 3 minus
Okay.
1 is 2. 2
Very
over
good.
4.
Okay, then, but that one is not the final answer.
2
Yes,
over 4
Vincent.
is half, so 1 over 2.
Go. Very good, Chris. 2 over 4 is your answer, but we cannot leave like this because we need to simplify again. How you do the simplification? 2?
1 over 2.
Yes, I know 1 over 2, but what did you do just now? 2 divide?
The denominator
2 divide 2, 4 divide 2, correct? 2 divide 2, you will get 1.
Last simplify. Why need to divide the 2 divide 2? The 2.
Okay. Okay. Until here can understand or not? 2 over 4?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, why teacher said cannot put this one? Sorry. Why teacher say we cannot put the answer like this 2 over 4? Because we still have to make, we still can make this fraction in smaller. We still can make it in smaller. You see?
I don't understand that one, but I know already. Also, another one I don't understand. If we
Okay.
simplify, why you said you need to divide 2 with 2?
Okay. The 2, can you divide with 1? You try to start with 1. Okay, 2, can you divide with 1?
Cannot.
Can actually. Okay, teacher said if the if the numerator you divide with 1, you try to write in a piece of paper. If these 2 you divide with 1, you will get also the answer 2, correct? If the 4 you divide 1, also you will get the answer same, 2 over 4. So no point, correct? Okay, after 1, you have to choose 2. If these 2, can we divide 2 with 2?
Yeah. It cannot.
Yeah. 2 2 divide 2 can or not?
Oh, can.
Can. If 2 divide 2, what is your answer?
Okay.
1.
1. So teacher say if the numerator they divide with 2, denominator also have to divide with the same number, correct? Just now you divide with 2. So 4 also you have to divide with 2. Now 4 divide 2 is equals to
2.
2. So what is your answer?
1/2.
You can understand now?
Understand.
Yes, you okay. You already tried with 1, you already tried with 2, now you try with the 3. 2 can divide with 3 or not?
No.
4 can divide with 3 or not? You will get 1.11111, correct?
So what is 1.11111?
Is then when you 4 divide with 3, you will get the answers, correct? So it's impossible when you do the division with 3, correct? So the possible number you have to take is 2. Clear? Understand or not? So your final answer, it should be 1/2. Okay, now example number 3. Who can explain to teacher? Okay, class, when you want to do the addition and subtraction of the fraction, the very important thing is your denominator must be same for the both fractions. When you want to do the multiplication or when you want to do the fraction or division, anything of the fractions, you have to make it the denominator equal first, then only start to do. Okay, this term you only have to apply for the addition and subtraction of fractions only. Please bear in your mind. To make it the denominator equal, you only have to apply for addition and subtraction. Remember this, okay? Because once we have completed this addition and subtraction, for your grade 5, we will learn about the multiplication and division of fractions. But for now, for addition and subtraction, the only thing you have to remember is you have to make it the denominator equal. Okay. Now, example number 3. Any volunteer want to explain to teacher? Any volunteer, just explain to teacher, how did you get this answer? Class, what did I say? No any response. I won't proceed with the next question. So don't waste your time.
I need to think.
So I give 2 minutes. First, who wants to try think and analyze the answer and then please explain to me. What is the answer? Class, who can explain to teacher this example 3? Just now Chris already tried. Okay, who wants to try? Other than Chris. Anybody? Just try. Teacher said wrong, I won't scold.
16 times 8, 3 times 8.
No. Hello. One new denominator is 16. One more denominator is 8. Teacher said can make it equal what?
How to make it?
Then 8 you multiply with 2 what?
1, 2, 2, 2. Okay.
Correct or not? 3/16 you no need to disturb that one. Because 8 you can multiply with 2, you will get 16 what? And then 1 also you can multiply with 2 what?
So it's
2/16.
The 2/8 and another is
First one is 3/16 minus
minus
1/8. Teacher, and now is 6/16 and
I.
2
Now
over
is
then 8 times 2.
listen. Hello. One time so many of you talking at the same time. Okay.
Yes,
Scofield, teacher said when you want to make it the denominator equal, you only have to multiply 8, correct?
Correct.
8 you multiply with 2, 1 also you have to multiply with 2. So do we need to touch the 3/16 there? No need. Because we didn't do any changes of that fraction, correct or not? So we don't have to disturb that one.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Down multiply 2 already. Up also need to multiply with 2 1. So 3
Exactly, correct.
times 2
3
equals
why you want to touch is 16, you multiply with anything?
oh, so is
Hello. You have
3
to see the
over
down
6.
8, you have to see the top 8. Why you see the top of 16 there?
Teacher, so I know already. So
Ah,
equally is 3/16 minus 2/8. 2/16. So
Exactly,
it's
correct.
3. So it's 1/16.
Exactly. Now understand or not, Coffee?
Understand?
If you never do any, okay, listen. If you never do any changes to that fractions, you cannot multiply the top also. Cannot touch. Just leave it like that. If you make the changes for the 8, you multiply with 2 exact. So, of course, you have to multiply 1 with 2. That's it. Clear? Clear or not, Scofield?
Yes, teacher, very clear.
Okay, now example 4. Example 4. Now, who can explain this one to teacher? Queeners, do you want to try? Faster
Teacher, I know.
class.
Teacher, this is
Aye.
fun.
Coffee
Please,
quiet.
teacher, I want,
Quiet.
I want to see. I really know, or I just
I
say no.
want to explain.
Again. What you
Teacher,
say, because my line is disconnected just now. Yes.
teacher, I want to try.
Okay. You may try. Okay. How to do this one?
3 times 2 equals 6, and up 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 dash 6
Aye.
minus
4 dash what? 4 over.
4/6 minus 1/6 is equals to 3/6.
Very good. So do we need to make any changes for the second fractions there, 1/6?
No need.
No need. So we only make the 3 become 6. So 3 multiply 2 becomes 6, and then 2 also you have to multiply with 2. That's it. So the next fraction you cannot touch. But
Total need to be 1/2 because 3 times
hence
1/2.
yes, exactly. 3 you can simplify. 3 you can divide with 3. 6 also you can divide with 3. You will get 1/2. Understand? Understand or not?
Understand.
Okay, now teacher want to ask who still don't understand. Can get the clear picture, right? Okay, now we move to the example 5. Okay, who wants to try this one? Queenas, just try. Don't have to see my answer here. This one is no need to use this way. What did teacher taught for addition? Make it equal. How? Queenas? Quinas, are you there? Quinas, you muted your mic, so I cannot hear you. How to make it the denominator equal? Please don't waste the time. We only have 30 more minutes. Teacher have to cover 6 more example. And then teacher going to upload the worksheets for subtraction. Quinas. Example number 5. Please explain.
Teacher was
Okay.
looking at worksheet 1.
Hello. Why you want to look at the worksheet now? I'm explaining about the slide what?
Teacher.
Yeah. Yes, Quinas. Yes, what's your problem? Yes, what's your problem, Quinas? Why? What happened? Cannot open my slide.
What example?
Excuse me.
Subtraction of fraction slide. Example 5, slide number 8.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
How about the 4 and 6?
Yes. You
If
have
we
to
are
make
used
it equal
to,
what?
if we are used to one timetable, also cannot.
Cannot. Okay. Let's say just now, okay, you look at the question example, this one. Can you see my example 4 here?
Teacher,
Okay,
I
class.
can use 3.
Ah,
I can use 3.
listen to me first. If you see the example here, the only thing you have to do is you have to make the denominator equal, right? So you can multiply with directly, can multiply with 2, you can get 6. But for this example, you cannot do anything to make these two equal, correct? So what is the only thing you can do is 4 multiply 6, 6 multiply 4. That's it. Understand or not? Understand or not? Am I talking to the wall class?
Understand, teacher.
Yes. When the 4 you multiply with 6, 3 you have to multiply with?
6.
Very good. When the 6 you multiply with 4, 1 you have to multiply with?
4.
So what is the answer now? Who can tell me?
7 over 12.
12. Why? 3 multiply 6 is equals to 18. So 18 over 24 minus 4 over 24. So what is the answer? 14 over 24. So 14 you can divide with 2. 24 also can divide with 2. You will get 7 over 12. That's it. Can understand or not? Okay, now we move to the example 7 now. Is it okay? Okay. Now, my answer is already here. Who can tell to teacher, who can explain to teacher this one? 3 over 8 minus 2 over 9. Quinas, why you don't want to open your mouth? What's your problem? You can view the slide or not?
Teacher, I already opened. Teacher.
Now, can you please turn to the slides 10, example 7 there? Can you please explain to me how did you get the answer? Chanel, can I know what are you doing there? You doing my work or you doing other subject work?
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes, Chris.
Teacher, I cannot see you. Go back. Can I?
Okay, go back to what? You want me to go back to what?
This worksheet.
I thought you want me to go back to my class. Sorry, my home. Can you see? What are you doing there, Channa?
Teacher, the subtraction fraction is only like 8 times 9.
I know already.
Teacher,
Yes, yes. No, no. Let Hema talk finish. Yes, Hema.
I don't understand the
Which one you don't understand?
fraction have to only like 8 times 9, 3 times 9 like that.
Yes. Just now how you do for the addition is same for the subtraction also. No any changes. Only that one you plus, this one you minus. That's it. Which part you don't understand? Okay, I'm going to explain this one. Example. Okay, teacher say the denominator you have to make it equal, right? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so how you going to make it equal? Of course, 8 multiply 9. 9 you have to multiply with 8, correct?
Correct.
Correct. When the denominator here you multiply with 9. And then here the 3 also you have to multiply with
9.
9. When the denominator here you multiply with 8. Here also you will multiply with
8.
8. So 3 multiply 9 is equals to 27. 8 multiply 9 you will get 72 minus 2 multiplies 8 you will get 16. 9 multiply 8 also you will get 72. So can we do the minus here now, subtraction?
Yes.
Yes, can. Now 27 minus 16 is equals to
11/72.
yes. So which part you don't understand yet, Hemar?
I don't understand the time one. Now I understand.
Yes, actually no, and not much different for subtraction and also addition. The both are same. Only addition you have to plus the answer. Subtraction you have to minus for the answer. Understand?
Teacher, I know already.
Good. Okay, question number 8. Can I have Channel to explain this? 3/4. The rest, please don't talk. I want Channel to explain. 3/4 minus 3/15. How to do, Channel? Channel, I'm waiting for you. How long you want to keep silent, Channel? Can you answer? Just explain to teacher this slide. How long you want to keep silent? Is wasting your time, wasting my time, wasting your friend's time. Just explain it.
9 is 1 o'clock 41.
Chanel.
Yes, teacher.
I'm calling Chanel, Quinas. Hey, when you become Chanel? Chanel, what's your problem? Can you understand? You don't know how to explain? Just try. Wrong doesn't matter. Just explain to teacher this example 8. I already explained so many times. At least just try. Wrong, don't worry. Teacher won't scold. Just try.
Teacher, I know already. I can.
Hey, please, quiet.
So let's have the next slide. I want to know if I can try.
Huh?
Can I try the next slide? Next slide.
Have you taken note ready? Dana, can I move? Okay, Chanel, come back to example 8. How can explain this? Hmm? Hemar, mute your mic, Hemar. Chanel, teacher say don't waste the time. Chris, can you please explain?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. Explain. Later, you please explain again to her.
4 times 15, the denominator is 16.
60,
And then
sayang. 60 is 60. Huh?
60. And then 15 times 3 is...
Wait. Okay.
And then 15 times 3 is 45.
Very
4
good.
times
Then,
3 is 12.
very good.
And then is 45 over 16 and 12 over 16 minus is 33 over 60. Simplify is 11 over 20.
How did you simplify? 33 you divide with?
Divide with 16.
I. 33 you divide with 3 what? And then 60 also you can divide with 3. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, mute your mic. Thank you so much, Chris. Later, when 3 of you do the worksheets, please discuss among you 3, okay? Chanel, try to learn, Okay, good. Hema, you say you want to try example number 9. Can I have your answer now? Faster, 2 more slides only, we can end the call. Hema, faster.
6 times 7 and 1 times 7.
Okay,
Well, 7 over 42.
very good.
6 times 7 and then 6 times 1 is 6 over 42.
Very good.
For
Then,
2 no need to minus. So 7 minus 6 equal 1. So 1 over 42.
very good. So, my dear students, so far any question or not?
I understand more already.
Yeah, very good. That's why we have to keep on do practice. Then only we will be perfect. Correct or not?
Correct.
Practice makes perfect. Okay. Why Vincent Chu? Playing with the paper there. What happened? Okay. Quinas, I'm teaching to you, not your ceiling fan. Show your face to me. Can. So Quinas, the last example number 11, I want Quinas to try the last question. Quinas, UI plus. Faster. Why, Vincent, you keep on raised your hand? Any problem with your hand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
The one with the raised hand.
Huh?
They are playing with that raised hand when you were teaching.
Yeah, I can see from here. Quinas, are you there, Quinas? Krisa, you one more time you raise your hand, smack your hand. Quinas, faster try the last slide.
Teacher, last slide, let me try lah.
No, cannot. Let Quinas try because I want everybody to understand. Scoffy, you already understand. Hema, Vincent, Chris, all no problem. Ethan, of course, no problem. He can understand because he already completed the worksheets. Quinas, I want you to try, Quinas. Wrong doesn't matter. Why you don't want to respond anything to me, Quinas? We are in the live class now. You hiding yourself from the camera for what? Try to show your face and just explain to teacher, Quinas. No need to afraid. Nothing to scared here. Teacher won't scold. Wrong, I will guide again. Okay?
Teacher.
Okay, come. Let's try. Example number 11, the last one. How to do?
1.
Start from the denominator. You have to make it the denominator equal, right?
No. The
Hey. What? No. You have to make the denominator equal, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now what you supposed to do?
You.
Cross multiply, correct?
Yeah,
5.
teacher.
5 multiply.
5 multiply 3. No, 4. 5 multiply 4.
Why? Why you want to 5 multiply 4? You have to take 5 multiply 7, 7 multiply 5, what?
Yeah.
Just now I taught you, you not even few minutes, you forgot already, Quinas. Okay, 5 multiply 7, 7 multiply 5, correct?
Correct.
Correct. So now, if 5 you multiply with 7, 1 you supposed to multiply with?
37.
Oh my god, Quinas, teacher going to die already lah. Quinas,
Multiply.
Quinas, okay, you look at my screen here. Can you see?
I cannot see a screen.
But have you opened the slide the teacher posted for the subtraction
Yes,
question?
teacher.
Yes. Okay, you see, you look at the slide carefully. Can you see the working the teacher show there? 5,
Yes.
when you multiply with 7, 1 on the top also you have to multiply with 7, isn't it?
Correct.
And then for the next fraction, when the 7 you multiply with 5, 1 on the top also you have to multiply with 5, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so how to explain the next steps?
You minus 7 and 5.
Very good. And then what is your answer?
235.
Very good. That's all. Understand now?
Understand.
Understand? Thank you
Understand,
so
teacher.
much. Yeah, try to do the practice.